Okay, so today we are talking about binomials, but what's happening is they end up with two binomials multiplied together. Remember, always look, this is being multiplied together. And notice our first terms are exactly the same. Our second terms are exactly the same. The only thing that is different is we have opposite signs. So we're going to set up everything that we're used to doing. We're going to take our first term times our second binomial, and then our second term times our second binomial again. And then we're going to distribute. So x times x, we get x squared plus 2x. And then we get negative 2x, and then multiply, we get negative 4. Then remember, this is where we add, subtract, combine like terms. So our x squared does not combine with anything. Our negative 4 does not combine with anything either. And then look what happens with our middle term. We have a plus 2 minus 2x. So we get a 0x, and anything times 0 is just 0. So this is my answer because those two cancel out. This is called a difference of squares. We're going to look at that when we start factoring a little more. Okay, so let's look at another one. What if I gave you 3x plus 1, and then we had 3x minus 1, okay? So we're multiplying again. So I'm going to take my 3x and I'm going to multiply it by my second binomial. Then I'm going to take my plus 1 and multiply it by my second binomial. Distribute, we get 9x squared. And then 3x and 1, negative 1, so we get negative 3x. And then we get 3x, and then negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. Be careful, you're multiplying over here, okay? Combine like terms now. So 9x squared does not combine with anything. We have a negative 3x and a positive 3x, so it becomes 0. And then we have our negative 1. And that is my answer. So today you're doing the same concept. There is one question today that they give you, and they do something like this. And they're asking you, what did they do wrong? Remember what this means. This means x plus 4 times x plus 4, and then you have to distribute, right? And set that up. So you're going to end up with a trinomial, not a binomial. All right? Have a great day.